do they call us believers?
Onígbàgbọ́ mélòó ló ń sọ òtítọ́?
How many believers say the truth?
Onígbàgbọ́ mélòó lórí òtítọ́ tó dẹ̀ dúró lórí òtítọ́ pé òtítọ́ ni kíni nǹkan yóò dá?
How many believers stand firmly on the truth?
A kì í sọ òtítọ́ mọ́.
We do not say the truth anymore.
Ilé Ọlọ́run òtítọ́ ti sá lọ ní ibẹ̀.
The truth has departed from the
A ti ń
house of
ṣe
the
ilé
Lord.
Ọlọ́run bẹ́ni pé à ń ṣe ilé ayé asán.
We've turned the church to the word.
Ilé Ọlọ́run ti dàbí ó ti dàbí ilé agbo àwọn olóṣèlú.
The church has become a political gathering.
Àmọ́ òtítọ́.
We don't know the truth anymore.
Àárín òtítọ́ ilé Ọlọ́run.
We do not have the truth in the church.
Ìwà wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Ọlọ́run gẹ́gẹ́ bí onígbàgbọ́.
Our characters as Christians and children of God.
Ẹ̀tàn ti wà ní ibẹ̀.
We now have deceit in them.
Òtítọ́ ò sí nínú ìwà wa mọ́.
The truth no longer resides in us.
A kì í sọ òtítọ́, a kì í fi ìwà hàn.
We no longer speak the truth.
Ní last week
Last week,
ní Wednesday,
on Wednesday,
pastor kan bọ̀,
a pastor was coming.
ó gbé Bible dání.
He had a Bible with him.
Ọlọ́kadà ó ta omi ẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lára.
A motorcyclist splashed him with mud.
Kò tún ṣe wá German church pastor ń sìn yìí o.
And it wasn't even
Pastor yẹn
a
gbé
spiritual
Bible ẹ̀
church
lẹ̀.
pastor.
Ó lé ọlọ́kadà yẹn, ó dẹ̀ di ọlọ́kadà yẹn mú.
He dropped his Bible and held on to
Wípé
the motorcyclist.
ó máa fọ ṣòkòtò òun yẹn.
That he was going to wash his trousers.
Ó tún wá lo kọ́là.
And he had a collar on him.
Mo bá dúró mo wá wò báyìí títí.
I stood and
Mo lọ́lọ́
watched
tún
for a
kù
while.
sùúrù.
And I still praised God for his patience.
Mo jẹ́ mi lọ́lọ́ ni.
If I were God,
A kú níbẹ̀ yẹn
he
lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀.
would die instantly.
Torí pé ó dojú ti ìgbàgbọ́.
Because he disgraced Christianity.
Nǹkan tó lọ fi ń jẹ́ Ọlọ́run nìyẹn.
That is why God is God.
Ọba sùúrù.
He is a patient God.
Ọba tó fẹ́ kú ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀.
The God who doesn't want a sinner to die.
Nígbà tí pásítọ̀
When a pastor,
ẹ̀kọ́ ò la fẹ́ kọ́ lára pásítọ̀ yìí.
what is it we've learned from that kind of a pastor?
Kí ni difference láàrin pásítọ̀ yàtọ̀ ẹni tó mọ Ọlọ́run?
What is the difference between that pastor and an unbeliever?
Wàá rí babaláwo mi ó dájú ẹni tó lọ sí chọ́ọ̀chì lọ.
You see a traditional worshipper that is better than a believer.
Èní Sunday
Today is Sunday.
àwọn aṣọ àdúrà
We all wear our garments.
à ń rìn kiri títì.
We go on the streets.
À ń fi hàn fún àwọn èèyàn pé èní ni Sunday o.
We show to people that today is Sunday.
Tí ẹnikẹ́ni bá kéèyàn kan lọ tẹ̀gbín sí wa lára.
If anybody were to insult us,
Mo ti rẹ́ni tó wọṣọ àdúrà tó bọ tó dẹ̀ ń jà ní títì.
I've seen someone put off his garments to fight on the
Ṣé
streets.
títì láti ẹ̀ ń sọ? Ẹ jẹ́ kí a parí sáfìsì ń sìn.
Let's end the service and see.
Kí èèyàn kan gba ẹ̀gbẹ́ èèyàn kan kó tiẹ̀ rìn kọjá kó fara gba ọgbà rẹ̀ kó má mọ̀.
And one person only eats another person.
Hey, gbogbo lẹ́yìn ó máa ya á máa mì títí.
You see the whole floor
Wọ́n á búra wọn,
tremble.
wọ́n á bàbá ara wọn,
Though
wọ́n á bùyà ara wọn,
their
wọ́n
fathers
ṣetán
and
láti
their
jà.
mothers, they are ready to fight.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé àwọn yẹn ṣé wọ́n fi àpẹẹrẹ tó dáa pé onígbàgbọ́ làwọn ẹni?
Have those people shown examples as good
Kò
Christians?
kọ pásítọ̀ lẹ́ o, kò kọ ẹ̀dá lẹ́ o, kò kọ alàgbà kan lẹ́ o, kò kọ bàbá ìjọ lẹ́ o, kò kọ ìyá ìjọ lẹ́ o. Kí wá ni àwọn tó wàá mọ Ọlọ́run?
What then do we say to
Kí la fẹ́
unbelievers?
sọ? Ọmọ chọ́ọ̀chì mi tó bá gbé irọ́ kalẹ̀, irọ́
If a member of a church tells you
tó bá
lies
ju irọ́ yẹn,
and he gives them to
wàá kọ́
you,
ni pé ògiri ara chọ́ọ̀chì dẹ̀ bẹ̀ sí ní sán.
you just see that the church begins to crack.
Ọkọ parọ́ ẹ̀mí ìkórè dẹ̀ fún ẹ gbòò.
Or they tell
Kó
you
kọ̀
about
káwọ́ kó
the
dẹ̀
lie
fọwọ́
and
pa
you
orí
realize
yẹn.
you have a headache.
Irọ́,
Lies
ìwà tó dá,
or bad character,
ìṣe tó dá.
bad deeds.
Kí wá ní nǹkan tó mú difference bọ́ á bá wa àti ẹni tí ò mọ Ọlọ́run rárá.
What then is the difference between you as a Christian and a person who does not know God?
Ẹni Christian president ló dá, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
You claim that a Christian president
Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́
is
lẹ sọ?
better. Was it
Nígbà
not what
Muslim
you
wà
said?
bẹ́ẹ̀, Muslim ò dá, Christian
When we had a Muslim
Christian president wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀,
we
gbogbo
complained
nǹkan
it
á dá.
wasn't good, that a Christian would be better.
Christian kan ló wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀.
The Christian then now,
Kí ni nǹkan gidi tó ṣe
what is it that he has done
tó mú ayé rọrùn?
that has made things better for the citizens?
Kí ni nǹkan tá à ń pè nígbàgbọ́ nínú Jonathan?
What is it we call
Wọ́n dẹ̀ dé
Christianity
church.
in Jonathan?
Tá bá gbé ìwé orin. Michael oníṣègùn.
They go to the church and sing with pride.
Ọlọ́run kú sùúrù sẹ́.
I keep saying God is extremely patient.
Ọlọ́run ọba ó kú sùúrù.
That God is really, really patient.
Ọlọ́run máa kú sùúrù o.
That God is patient.
Ọlọ́run máa dá o.
He is a good God.
Inú wọn ò dáa.
But these people are not good.
Wọ́n wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn.
They stand beside
Wọ́n máa
the
bínú
person,
ara wọn.
and they are still keeping malicious thoughts against themselves.
Béèrè pé èèyàn mélòó
Ask that how
ni
many
Jonathan ti
people
tì mọ́lé.
are Jonathan imprisoned.
Ọlọ́run kó dáríjì o.
May God forgive us.
Ọlọ́run kó dáríjì.
May God forgive us.
Ẹni tó bá ti léèyàn Nàìjíríà.
A person who
Ìyà
doesn't
máa
have
jẹ
people
kú ni.
in Nigeria.
Tọ́lá pé Ọlọ́run bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ń jẹ́ Ọlọ́run Ọlọ́run ń jẹ́ Ọlọ́run kò yẹ kí adájọ́ wà Nàìjíríà ó yẹ kí Ọlọ́run kó pa gbogbo adájọ́ Nàìjíríà run pátá.
If God
Gbogbo
really
lọ́ọ̀yà
wants to
Nàìjíríà
use power,
kó
we
kú.
should not have
Gbogbo
judges
ọlọ́pàá
and
Nàìjíríà
lawyers.
kó lọ pa wọ́n dànù.
All law enforcement officers should be killed.
Sọmọ díẹ̀ mo ka ìwé ìròyìn kan.
I read a daily.
Tábà wo ojú ọ̀la Nàìjíríà ó máa ń pa èmi lẹ́kún.
When we look at the future of Nigeria,
Wọ́n ní èèyàn jalè.
a man
jalè.
was said to have stolen
35,000 naira àti handset kan.
stolen a handset of about 35,000
Handset
naira.
Samsung ẹyọ kan péré.
Samsung handset.
Adájọ́ wa ní God ó wá
And the judge
dájọ́
had the
onídàájọ́
God
òun rèé ó
that-
ní pé kí wọ́n hàǹgẹ́ nìyẹn kú.
That he should be killed by hanging him.
Ha! Ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ Jonathan ṣé kò jalè?
Ask from
Pastor náà ò
Jonathan,
jalè.
he steal?
Ẹ jẹ́ àsòótọ́ èmi ò ní kẹ́ èmi ni mò ń sọ̀rọ̀
I am the one talking.
kí kò jalè.
Don't
Ṣé kò yẹ kó ti
they steal?
hàn Jonathan náà? Gbogbo àwọn Ọbásanjọ́